How do I find my 6-digit verification code? Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find the 6-digit verification code. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can find it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to find your 6-digit verification code, if you're talking about the bank account, like the bank security verification code, you may just find it simply through your text message, email, or Google Authenticator if you have used it as authenticating app onto your bank account. So in order to get that 6-digit verification from your bank, when you log in into your account online or through a mobile app, you'll be receiving a text message on your phone number. You just need to go to the text message application, which is by default set in every device. Just head over to the text messages section, and here you should be able to find your bank account OTP code or 6-digit verification code very easily. The next thing is you may just head over to your email if you have used your email as a verification process during in your bank account. If you go to your bank, if you're trying to log in into your bank account, you should be receiving an 6-digit verification code in your email as well, and you may just use that 6-digit code for the verification in your bank account. The next thing is using Google Authenticator. If you have used a Google Authenticator into your account before verifying yourself, you need to go on with the process of adding the code, typing in the code that you have just received in a Google Authenticator. You might just get back to Google Authenticator. After that, you'll be seeing 6-digit code on your home screen. You just need to type in the 6-digit code within some seconds, and you should be easily logged in into your account very easily. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to get a 6-digit verification code or find a 6-digit verification code in those places. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.